Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some Happy Mail that I received from VIP Cross Stitch. And then I will also show you some crochet stuff that I got for Christmas. But first, let's open up my package from VIP Cross Stitch. VIP Cross Stitch was nice enough to give me these items for free in exchange for me opening them and showing them on my video. Now their website is called VIP Cross Stitch, but they do have some crochet items, and that's exactly what I picked out. So if you do like cross stitch, they have an abundance of kits that you could choose from. Some are counted cross stitch and some are printed cross stitch. But they also have some really cute crochet stuff. So let's go ahead and dig into my package. And after that, I will go ahead and show you what I got for Christmas. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig in and see what I got from VIP Cross Stitch. Now I was really excited to get this little tote. This is the small size, and this runs about $10.95. I think it's so cute, and this is just perfect. It has a little hole in the top for your yarn, and this is perfect just if you're doing granny squares or something like that. You can just take along a couple little balls of yarn, your hook, and your granny squares fit perfectly inside. And it's lined on the inside. I love it. They have a large size like this, and then they also have a square size. So I thought this was adorable. I couldn't wait to get it with the little deer on the front. Isn't it so cute? I love this. This is perfect to take in the car. Love it. Okay, so let's see what else I got. I almost forgot what I ordered. Look at these cute little buttons that I got. Now, I'm not really sure how much these are. I know they're just a few dollars, but I will go ahead and link all of the items that I'm showing today in the description box below. And VIP Cross Stitch was nice enough to give me a discount code for anyone who wants to make a purchase from their website. And the discount code is Crojo07, and it will save you 7% off of the listed price on their website. So make sure that you check the description box for the link to these items. So these are some really cute buttons. It doesn't say how many are in here, but look at how adorable these are. They're like little country pattern. And the last thing that I got were some crochet hooks. Now these are cute. And let's open them up and see what they feel like. They look similar to a clover hook. And the handle feels very similar. This is a 7mm. Now it doesn't really feel like it has the same coating as a clover hook, but I'll have to do an experiment with some yarn to see how it works. So we have a 7mm, and I also got a 6.5mm. And then I also got an 8mm. Okay, so let's see how this works up. These are nice to keep with you if you want to take your projects on the road. It seems like it's doing pretty good. It's not the same as a clover slip wise, but it isn't bad. And the handle, I'm a knife grip. The handle has a nice flat area for your thumb and for your fingers right here. So it's really comfortable to hold, and the rubber is very comfortable as well. I'm not having any problem making a chain here. It works really good, and for the price, I believe they were under $10. They were really cheap, and you get 3 of them in nice big sizes. So I would recommend these as well. So like I said, I will go ahead and link these down in the description box below, and don't forget about the code Crojo07 and get 7% off of your order. So now let's see what I got for Christmas. Well, I had asked my husband to order me some yarn from Hobbii, and it came in a couple of days after Christmas, but I was so excited to get it. And these are all the same color, but I finally got some universe yarn. Isn't this so gorgeous? I got 6 of these, and I'm not exactly sure what I should make with it yet, but they are just so pretty. Oh, I just love them so much. And I was really grateful for him getting these for me. And I just love to look at all the different colors, how they look when they're caked up. Look at that, they're so pretty. So I got that, and then my daughter got me a Streamline Furls hook. I wanted this. They were on sale for like $23. So I hurried up and I sent her the link and she ordered it for me right away. And I love it because it's red and white, just like Christmas. And this is a 5mm. And I'll always remember that she gave me this hook for Christmas because it looks like Santa's hat. I just love it so much. And then along with that, they sent her this and she had wrapped it separately. This was in a little bag. I was like, ooh, what is this? She's like, I have no idea, Mom. So I opened up the bag and I was like, what is this? It looks like a little urn to put ashes in. I was like, my goodness, what is it? Oh, it's a needle holder. So isn't that beautiful? A little hand-turned wooden needle holder. I thought that was just gorgeous. And what a nice little extra that Furls threw in with a discounted hook. So I was really happy about that. And I'm really excited to try using my new Furls Streamline hook. This is the third one I have. Most of my hooks are ODYSSEY, but since I had a shoulder injury, I've been steering away from the heavier hooks for right now until I'm completely healed. And so I've been leaning more towards my Clover and my Streamline hooks. And this is nice and light, and I am used to using it now. So I'm really thankful that she got me that, and I can't wait to put it in my little crochet hook stand. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and keep in mind that I do go live almost every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. If you'd like to join in on some fun yarn chat and just drink some coffee and sit around and come up on the panel if you would like. So make sure you check out my lives Tuesdays and Fridays, 1 p.m. Central. So thanks a lot for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and all that jazz. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.